Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn the sounds of CL, BL, GL, SL, FL and PL. Come, let's learn them one by one. C, L, K, K as in clay. K, 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 clay, clay, clay. B, L, B, B as in black. B, 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 black, black, black. G, L, G, G as in glass. G, 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 glass, glass, glass. F, L, F, F as in flag. F, 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 flag, flag, flag. S, L, S, S as in slide. S, 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 slide, slide, slide. P, L, P, P as in plum. P, 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 plum, plum, plum. Thank you for watching this video.